The robots! It's a robot, guys! Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Leo Chaplin, and today we have here the electric blender, food blender, namely the MISSCEO CEOOL, or is it CE00L? Not sure. It's from Shopee. I bought it from Shopee. And why am I doing a review of this very affordable blender machine, electrical blender? Is because that I'm trying to do an unboxing of an inexpensive electric equipment or electric appliance, right? Yeah, it has here, if you zoom in, you can, because I do not know how to read Chinese, but it's all written here in Chinese. They have the serial number and all. So yeah, let's just open it up. That's the illustration of the blender. Now, when I saw this on Shopee, I was wondering to myself, before I even noticed the price, it's like, wow, this is like super heavy duty blender because it's big. All right, just look at this jug, right? This is the jug that came. Oh, it has double jugs. Let's talk about the main jug, made out of plastic. Okay, it's not thick, it's thin. So I guess for that kind of price, which is 46 ringgit, including delivery of postage, which is about 10 US dollars, I think this is what we get out of it, right? This is the rubber seal. I guess it's for the cover, and it came right there. This is the cover. I guess you have to put it right here, is it? You have to put the rubber seal all around this cover of the main jug. Let's see whether it fits. Hold on, let me extend you guys for a bit so that we can see. All right, it does fit. Yeah, it fits firmly. And then we have the, I guess this is the top cover from the looks of it. Or before we cover the jug, let's see the blade. That's the blade inside there. Okay, probably I will just cover you guys. Oops, sorry, I hit you guys. In the Insta360 action camera, and we can zoom in to the blade there while holding to the jug from the outside. Let's turn. Oh, you can see it's not only it has 4 blades, it has 4 blades of double layer. Is it? Or is it 6? I can see 6 there. The first layer has 4 blades and the second layer has 2. So this is how it is being rotated. As you can see, it's made out of metal. Usually it's not. It's made out of rubber, but this is metal, man. I hope it's stainless steel so that it will not rust. Oh, it can also be open and closed for cleaning. Oh man, that's something new. Or is it? Or is it because it says here, if you want to fix this jug onto the machine, the motor, this is the rotation. Okay, you turn left, you turn counterclockwise to open, and you turn it clockwise to close it up. All right. Before we try the motor part, so let's try this cover there. It's supposed to go in there and twist. There you go. That is the cover, I believe. And what is this for? This is the other cap for the smaller tumbler, which is designed to blend or grind dry things. So that is why it doesn't come with a rubber seal, because you do not need to worry when you blend powder, because it doesn't leak. Powder doesn't leak. Also, it has this metal part as the driver coupling, and inside there you can see there are 6 blades. Yeah, 4 on the first layer and 2 on the second layer, total 6, and it moves really smoothly. Let's cover that up. Now let's see what else we have inside here as the accessory. It has this. What is this? I'm not sure. And then it has a longer one like that. What is this? If I open this cover and then put this in, seems like it can... okay, so it can fit inside the cap or the cover of the bigger jug. I think it will help when you blend your fruits. It will make sure that the fruit got pushed down, like cucumber or banana, pushed down so that it will touch the blades down there and get blended. So that's one. So I guess this is, what is this? You can put it here too. Not sure. Okay, probably we'll look at the manual, which is inside here. Okay, what does it say? Alright, so I got the cap, the fill cap part correct, and silicone cup lid. Yeah, the white cylinder is called the silicone cup lid, and this is the plastic container, 2-in-1 cutting blade, which is inside this jug there. All right, and motor base. Okay, the motor base is inside there. We're going to take it out in a moment. So it also has the overload reset. What is that all about? From the wording, it seems like if it got overloaded, the motor base will kind of shut down by itself to prevent itself from being damaged. Okay, and then that's the instant turning switch. Means that you can just press it down, and when you release, the motor will stop. So it will not stick. So probably for a quick blend of something. And this one is the on-off, which means that if you switch it on, it will keep switching on, turning, and wait for you to switch it off again for it to shut down. And that is the minimum and maximum. Mix max is like a volume on your radio. You can increase or decrease the speed of the rotation. And this is a drive socket. Inside there is a drive socket. And this is the mixing rod. It means that if you put your foot inside there and then you blend. Oh, I see. So this one goes on top like that. Two become one. So when you put your foot in there, and when the blending starts, so some of the food will eventually rise up over here and sticks into the top part of the jug. And then what you do is you put this what do you call this, the mixing rod in, and then you can wiggle it around, and then to make sure that the food from that is sticking inside, on the inside part of the jug, will drop down there and touches the blades so that it can get a proper blend. Okay, now let's pull the motor part up, which is quite hard because it is deep inside there. Well, it's not their fault. Okay, the manufacturer has thought of putting the most heaviest part of the blender at the most bottom of the box, so that when you put the box up, it won't topple aside, right? So that's the polystyrene absorber down there to prevent the whole thing from being broken if it accidentally being dropped by the courier delivery guys. And what's this? We have one rubber part inside here, which is for what? I'm not sure. Okay, let's look at the motor. Look at that. Oh, I see. Okay, so you see, this part is toppling because it has lost one of its rubber legs or rubber pad, which goes in there. And now when I put it down and stand it up, it doesn't topple anymore. It's very steady. Okay, now when I open up this set just now, I was fascinated with the drive, what do you call this? The drive socket, which actually I've never seen this kind of design before. When you put it in, it fits inside. Okay, make sure that it fits inside. Oh, okay, sorry, we have to put this in. Okay, this is made out of, it's some sort like rubber, but also plastic at the same time, or probably a mixture of both. And then you put it there, then only you can stand up, your containers. This is for the powder, and it sits very steadily. And how about the big jug? The big jug, when you put it up there, wow, it fits snugly. All right. Okay, now put down the jug and let's observe the motor driver, the motor base. This is the toggle for a quick blend, and this is the full on switch. If you turn it on like that, the motor will keep turning, and it will wait for you to switch it off for it to stop. And this here is the low and high speed selector. Right? The knob. Okay, the knob. Okay, when you put it down there, it's at 1 or maybe 0. Here is 1, and then you can turn it all the way until 15, depending on how fine you want the blending result of your food is. And talk about the plastic. Well, it's not the thick type of plastic that you can find on a very expensive blender, obviously. But still, when you turn the, how I turn that? I was turning the motor base, what do you call this? The coupling, the drive socket, right? And then when you do that, you can see that the inside, there's a fan that also rotates once you turn or rotate the drive socket. And this will create some air circulation to cool down the motor as it turns. Now let's try to turn the motor up. Okay, let's now plug in the plug into an electric socket like that. Turn the main switch on. Now one thing I would like to mention, in other popular branded blender, you need to put on the jug or the container. It's like a safe switch. It's like a kill switch. If you don't put the jug, you will not be able to rotate the motor. This is a safety feature, so that when the motor base is left unattended, children might come and just play around with it, right? And then they might get their finger or hair tangled inside the high-speed rotation of the driver. But this one doesn't have that. But the design of the drive socket, to me, doesn't need to be protected because it's blunt. It's just round like so. Unless the child put his or her finger in there, it might get cut. But unless If you just place your hand like that, it will not tangle there because it has this special design which is new to me. Alright, now let's put the speed selector to 4 and try the toggle button right here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. 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 Okay, now that is the toggle switch on and off. When you press it, it will rotate. When you let go, it will stop. But this one is another on and off button permanently. Just put it at 4 or maybe 3, right? And then we turn it on. Wow. Okay, so that's quite scary. So now let's try whether this speed selector will work, right? Turn it on. Wow. Okay, it works. Now, how about when we put on the dry blender jug? Let's try it out. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. And then the permanent switch. Okay, of course, as you can hear, the sound of the movement is not as smooth as if you are using a popular branded blender, high quality ones. But well, let's try it out. Now it is powerful, but it is at the same time noisy. But what can we do, right? This is the I've chosen to buy this 46 ringgit blender, the one that I've been using, the Panasonic. Been using it since 2020. Now I've been using it for 6 years and it's busted. I mean, this part over here, it got loosened and it doesn't work anymore. But I have to buy this one to give it a try, whether it will last as long as the popular branded blender. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. I'm not going to test it with some food because I'm going to give the honor to my wife because she's the chef of the house. So she's going to doing the opening ceremony of this. Okay, guys. So thank you for joining me. Again, the CEOL MISSCEO multifunction blender robots. It's a robot, guys. Okay, that's it. Right, saying goodbye from my little home in Johor Bahru, and I will see you in the next video. Blend away.